What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a budget-friendly vegan meal. It's loaded sweet potatoes from the new book that I was gifted on Christmas, Plant-Based on a Budget, and I can't wait to get into it, so let's get in the kitchen and get started. And really quickly, if you guys are new to my channel and wondering what to expect, I share vegan recipe videos, vegan food reviews, vegan restaurant reviews, and also vlogs from time to time. So if that's something that interests you guys, consider subscribing, and if you do, click that notification bell so you never miss an upload. With that being said, let's get in the kitchen. All right, guys, now for this recipe here, we have half a can of chickpeas, half a can of black beans, also got some red onions and some green onions, as well as tomatoes and jalapenos. And of course, the base of the meal is the 2 sweet potatoes. So I'm gonna bake these in the oven at 350, but first we gotta cut them in half, and then we can start mixing all these ingredients together. So let's do it. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is just cut these little ends off, and then we are gonna cut these in half. So this is what your potatoes should look like. I'm gonna throw them in the oven at 350 degrees, and then we can get started with the filling. So let's move these out of the way and get started on this filling. Now the recipe calls for a little black pepper and cumin. So I'm gonna put some black pepper, also some salt, and then we got about half a teaspoon of cumin. And there's no exact measurements on the salt and pepper, so add as much as you guys would like. And just a quick hack, I sliced the sweet potato here with a knife just so that it can cook a little bit faster in the oven. And now for the filling, it's very easy. All you have to do is add the red onions and the green onions in here, and then the tomatoes and the jalapenos. And you just wanna mix it all up. Look at that, beautiful colors. And now we're gonna make a quick guacamole. So we got an avocado, we're gonna slice this baby in half. That's a nice looking avocado. If you guys don't know, it's an easy way to slice avocados. I'm sure everyone knows, but I'll say it for the people who don't. Slice a bunch of little lines, then a bunch of little cubes, and then you can mash it all out. There will still be a little bit left, so we'll grab that with a spoon here in a second. So the memory ran out, so it stopped recording, but this was the other half of the tomato that I had from the filling. So I added that in there, and now I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, black pepper, and just a squeeze of lemon. And now we'll mix this all up, and there we go. So now we got our fillings done. All we gotta do is wait for the sweet potatoes, and then we can start loading them up. All right, guys, so we got the sweet potatoes out of the oven. They took about 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. You can also throw them in the microwave for 2 minutes and then flip it over and do another 2 minutes, pretty much until it's nice and soft, but I prefer the oven, so that's what I did. But now what we wanna do, just kind of mash it up a little bit, and then we can get ready to add the filling. Now we got that nice filling, and we can just start adding it on here. And check it out, that is a wrap. That is a beautiful sight. Gonna take some pictures of it, and then I will do a little taste test for you guys. All right, guys, look at that. Now that is a beautiful sight. Not the sweet potatoes, my face, I'm just kidding. Let's dig into this. It's gonna be kind of hard because I got one hand. So I'm just gonna take some of the filling, some of the bean salad. All right, this is not working how I thought, but whoa. All right, this time I'm going in. Wow, talk about a flavor explosion. That was so delicious, guys. I definitely recommend you guys to try this recipe. It is spot on. The flavors in there are really, really good. The recipe book called for some corn. I didn't have any corn, so I opted out for those sliced jalapenos, and that made it super, super good. It got that tangy, spicy taste to it, and all the flavors combined together are really, really tasty. So if you guys are gonna try this recipe, let me know in the comments down below. And if you do try it for real, tag me on Instagram and I will repost it. With that being said, we have reached the end of the video. If you guys did enjoy it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Deuce.